RHR roll-up tonneau and truck rack packages. A clamp-on roll-up tonneau cover rolls up at the front of the bed. There's 3 rack options. You have the M series, which is 12-inch uprights, available in black or clear aluminum. You have the contoured series, which is also that you can see on this truck here. That's available also in black or clear aluminum. And you also have the Pro series, black or clear aluminum. This is a roll-up cover. It contours to the side of the truck here. It's a clamp-on installation. It's a premium textured double-coated vinyl fabric, and it rolls up to the front of the bed. Tonneau, so this tonneau is 5 years old, but one thing about the rack does attach to the stake pocket holes, so you can remove it. You can also adjust the uprights, and to close it, latches into place. You seal the sides with your hand, and voila. And the rack goes into the stake pocket holes in most applications. The exceptions to that are the Tacoma, the Ranger, and the Gladiator do require you to drill and bolt on the rails to the top of the truck bed rails because they don't have stake pockets. And thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, subscribe, tell us about it, what we can do better, so forth. And thanks for the support. And until next time, smile.